Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is "This is what happens when you camp in a stranger's backyard."
You might have a warrant, alright? Put your hands behind your back. What are you doing, Gretchen?
Where are you going?
Resisting.
On June 15th, 2022, what started as a simple trespassing complaint quickly spiraled into a full-blown arrest when officers in Ohio discovered an active warrant and a suspect who refused to comply. Officers were dispatched to a property after the homeowner, Vicky, reported that someone had set up a tent in her backyard just beyond her fence line. Upon arrival, officers made contact with Brett, who was sleeping inside the tent.
Wakey, wakey. What's up, man? Alright, step on out here for a minute. We can talk to you. What's up? Okay, and get us lost to your name.
Brett.
Who's here with you, Brett?
With me and the dog.
27 clear.
Not really good time, but sleeping.
So your name's Brett? 27, go ahead.
How many 15s on Brett? You don't even want to, do you? Is your dog in there with you?
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Come here, sir. Stay.
Yeah, say your dog in there.
Stay.
What kind of dog is it? Pit?
Live pit mix.
Yeah, 27 negative city county, sir.
Not the moment.
Okay.
You own this lady's property.
Hey, run social.
Oh.
Yeah, it's part of his.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was my baby name's right here. I'm so sorry. I'll pack up and leave right now.
Yeah, we'll get you out of here.
We can apologize to her.
No, I'll tell her, man. You probably didn't know.
No, I thought it was my buddy over here.
No, it said this little strip of her is hers. There's out here. Yeah, who else is in there? Anybody? Hey, can you come out here, ma'am?
97.
Ma'am, can you come out here, please? She alive?
Yes, no.
And tell her to come out here. Hey, come out. Hey, pup, come on. Come here, baby. Good daddy. Good daddy.
Hey,
Good baby. Good daddy.
Come here.
This is on.
I love dogs, man. Dogs just put a smile on your face, doesn't it? Especially well-behaved dogs, man. Yeah, he tried to cover up for it, but it ain't worked. Good officer, man. Don't just take his word for it. Go in there and look for yourself.
Come on out. What's your name? Yeah.
Hold on.
So picture.
Brett stated he believed the property belonged to one of his friends. Once informed otherwise, he agreed to pack up his belongings and leave the area. At this point, the situation could have ended quietly. But then, officers made contact with a second individual, Gretchen.
Gretchen. You have a warrant or something? Is that why you been coming out here? Gretchen. No, Gretchen. Come here. Come here. Don't. No, you might have a warrant. All right. Put your hands behind your back. What are you doing, Gretchen? Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You're under arrest, okay? She is resisting.
Let her out for the weeds.
She's trying to run, Brett.
Hey, I know. Get her off. Get her off the ground, bro.
Gretchen.
I understand.
Stop resisting, Gretchen. Gretchen, what are you doing?
Face is on the ground.
Gretchen, stop resisting.
You're
Gretchen, don't make this anymore.
Hey, stop. Put her face is on the ground, man.
Hey, guess what? You're just doing handcuffs like normal.
I mean, I know, but he's saying my girl's face to the ground. We're good. She's on the ground. You know all about that. Right? I understand. She's a female. He's a male. A big ass male.
Hey, listen, if you want to fight, I don't care if you're a man, woman, black, white, green, purple, I don't care, I'll beat your ass.
She's not trying to fight, though.
Yes, she is. She's trying to resist and leave. That doesn't happen. You know that just as well as I do. Now she's going to catch another charge.
Stupid. She did nothing. I'm a witness. Eyewitness.
I'm a witness. We're a witness.
You guys got body cams on us?
Damn straight we do. Damn straight. And you know just about the same thing. If you had warrants, you would have already bolted too. You'd have left her in the dust. And here's the thing, Brett. Here's what you don't understand. Is when you grow up and start acting like an adult, then you just own what the hell you've done. You don't run and fight from the police. You got it?
Cook them, man. Cook them up, man. Cook them up. I like this officer. I ain't gonna lie. I like this officer. Look at this guy. He looking all dumbfounded in the face, man. Yeah, act right, man. Act right. And her face wouldn't be in the ground. You know, if she wasn't trying to run or whatever, they wouldn't have to take her to the ground.
Yeah, I understand. What the hell is needed necessary?
Because she just needed to do what the hell she's told. That's it, Brett. Ridiculous. Hey, hold up. Why don't you just go get your car? Man, can we go through there? Why don't you just go get your car? We don't need to walk her. Would you stop?
Stop it.
Would you stop? Well, listen, just relax. Were we not being cool up to that point?
Stop.
Yeah, we were.
Where's your phone?
Silly.
Well, you need to stop because you're gonna push me on this whole fucking put hands on you. Stop. Hey, look.
She's still trying to get away.
Yeah, she's still trying to.
Ridiculous.
She's not right in the head, guys.
Neither are you.
Make fun of her.
Neither are you. You see me laughing?
Fun of who?
You see me laughing?
Hey, shut up and stop.
I'm not laughing.
Ain't nothing you damn people do that's funny. Nothing.
I mean, this is not funny, guys.
It's not funny. Do you see me laughing, Brett?
No, baby.
It's not funny.
I know it's not funny.
So guess what? We're not laughing.
Stop. She has mental illness, okay?
Yeah.
There.
Thank you for calling. We'll get him to push on. It's just a typical. It's just a typical homeless addict thief.
Yeah, well, I know. And like I said, my son and me owns that lot. We can't even mow it because they've got big ruts dug in it.
Yeah.
There's trash all through it. The other day I watched someone take a bicycle in behind the trees, and I don't know where he went because
Well, she's trying to run away.
we made him board. I think there's another hole in behind them trees. They're going through the fence.
Well, that's exactly where she was headed. She's got a warrant. She tried to run away.
Well, we've had our tanks off our camper stolen this winter.
Listen, it seems like you're a fairly sound mind, okay? Understand this. None of this happens unless you or her act that way. That's it, okay? We don't want to put hands on anybody. And I know you don't want to listen because you don't care. And you'll continue to do the same thing you do.
He don't care. Yeah.
And listen, if you ever do deal with him.
Listen, his father should have taught him this a long time ago, man. He don't care. He don't care. He thinks the world revolves around him, man. And no, man. Actions have consequences, man. Gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? If your parents ain't teach you, the law will teach you. The law enforcement will teach you, man. Get you together.
He's got warrants, he's gone. He'll fight you. Yeah. He'd just soon die than go to jail peacefully.
Even after being handcuffed, Gretchen refused to walk on her own and had to be carried at times back to the patrol vehicle. Dispatch confirmed the active warrant, and Gretchen was placed in the back of the patrol car and transported to the Ross County Jail.
Sit up for me, Gretchen. Gretchen, sit up for me. Come on, Gretchen. Gretchen, get up. Get up, Gretchen. Get out here. Come on. Gretchen, get out. Gretchen, sit up for me.
Oh my God. Fucking
Gretchen, go on. No. Gretchen, get up.
Touching these people with no gloves.
Somebody will smack.
Gretchen, we're already at the jail. Come on.
Come on.
We're not playing this stupid game.
Gretchen.
Come on. You're not passed out. You were just fighting this earlier. I don't know. Be stupid. Stand up and walk. I think this is going to get you out of jail or something. You got a felony probation violation. You're not going anywhere. Come on. Get up. Stand up.
So you're on the probation officer to come test her?
Shit, you hit her in a pressure point,
I'll call Casey.
and she'll get to moving.
Come on, walk. One foot in front of the other. Come on. One foot behind the other. And we walk. Come on, I'll let you sit down so we get in. Stand up so we can get these
You
handcuffs
gotta
off.
stand up. Stand up.
I don't know, those handcuffs ain't coming off as you be cooperative.
Gretchen was taken into custody and held at the Ross County Jail for resisting arrest, for physically fighting officers during a lawful detention, obstructing official business, for refusing lawful commands, and attempting to walk away, and probation violation tied to a prior case involving aggravated possession of drugs. If you want more videos like this,
Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Imagine waking up and finding a tent and people camping out in your backyard. That's insane, man. That is crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, man. The guy, on the other hand, you know, as soon as she starts running away and stuff like that, you're trying to, you know, yell at the cops and reprimand the cops as if the cops are doing something wrong. We wouldn't have her on the ground. We wouldn't have to tussle with her if she just stayed there. Let us check the warrant. Put your hands behind your back. It's as simple as that. Am I the only one that thinks that that's pretty simple? But then they want to complain when, you know, the cops got to get them together. Don't complain now. We tried to do it. We tried to do it the nice way. You ain't want to do it the nice way. So that's how I go, man. Anyways, yeah. I get the cops a 5. They did pretty good. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.